the benefits of garlic water. Drinking raw garlic and water helps you detoxify your body. It clears your body of all the harmful toxins and prevents diseases like diabetes, depression, and different types of cancers too. So, is drinking garlic water healthy? Yes, garlic has been a home remedy for treating problems like cold, cough, and asthma. Having garlic with water every day helps you prevent the risk of such common problems. Can you drink garlic water every day? Garlic is extremely beneficial for your lipid profile. Drinking garlic water will help stabilize your blood pressure. A study by the Faculty of Science at Kuwait University stated that raw garlic can effortlessly lower blood glucose levels. What is the best time to drink garlic water? Drinking garlic water first thing in the morning stimulates your digestion and appetite. One of the best remedies to treat them is having garlic regularly. How to make garlic water? To prepare the garlic water, you should put a clove of garlic kneaded in 100 milliliters of water and let the mixture rest overnight. The garlic water should be made with 1 clove of garlic for every 100 to 200 milliliters of water. You should add chopped or crushed garlic in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, remove from heat and drink warm. To enhance the flavor, you can add ginger zest, lemon drops, and a teaspoon of honey.